you are married. Now you are facing few problems. What are those? Suppose the possibility of infertility, the first problem. Second problem, the conflict of married life and disturbances in the married life you are facing. Third, you have baby but they are physically challenged, abnormal babies, a problem of autism or such kind of things. Or after marriage you are facing the problem of health. Either you or your partner frequently visit to the doctors. And also there is a decrease in the love between husband and wife. Then these shows that you are the victims of Nadi dosha. So in this video we will see how the Nadi dosha formed and what are the steps you can do in future to cure them, to fix the Nadi dosha. So both the couple, we have to check the chart of both the couple. We have to see the moon placement. Moon is placed in which nakshatra. Take the D1 chart of boy, take the D1 chart of girl. Just and note down where moon is placed, which nakshatra moon is placed. Oftenly most of the online softwares mentioning about the position of the moon, or the astrologer who make your chart clearly predict that where is moon is placed when you are in the world. So there are three kinds of Nadi dosh. If the condition, note down, if in Nadi dosh is Adi Nadi, note down these things. Adi Nadi is first one, then Madhya Nadi, and then is Ant Nadi. All these Nadi deals with the nakshatra. If both the son of the same nakshatra, either Adi Nadi, Madhya Nadi, Ant Nadi, means both girl and boy, moon is placed in the same category of Adi, Madhya or Ant. There are nakshatras. There are few nakshatras which belongs from Adi Nadi, Madhya Nadi and Ant Nadi. So if you both the partners belong to them, then you will score 0 marks out of 8. But no doubt, no problem, there are some remedies, there are some parihars, there are some if and else condition. A good astrologer definitely will help you, because on online they always mention then please consult to the astrologer. So it is not possible for the online software to make cancellation for them. So what are the nakshatra under Nadi? If in natal birth scope the placement of moon is either of the 9 nakshatra, there are 9 nakshatra belongs to Adi Nadi. First one is Punarvasu nakshatra, Hasta nakshatra, Ashwini nakshatra, Adra nakshatra, Mula nakshatra, Uttara Faguni nakshatra, Jyeshtha nakshatra, Shat Bhisha nakshatra and Purva Bhadrapadra nakshatra. These 9 nakshatra belongs from the Adi Nadi. So if suppose you are from Punarvasu nakshatra and your spouse is from Purva Bhadra nakshatra, then this is Adi Nadi dosh. In the same way, there are we will see about the Madhya Nadi. Again, here is 9 nakshatra belongs to Madhya Nadi. These are Purva Faguni nakshatra, Bharani nakshatra, Purva Asadha nakshatra, Mriksira nakshatra, Pushya nakshatra, Anuradha nakshatra, Dhanishta nakshatra, Chitra nakshatra or Uttara Bhadrapada nakshatra. So if both the partners belongs to either of these nakshatra, 9 nakshatra in the Madhya Nadi, then they have Madhya Nadi dosha. Now Ant Nadi dosha, please note down, the Hindi version will definitely be available in the playlist section of Kundli Milan, so have patience for them. If you need any consultancy for Kundli Milan analysis, you can download Jyotishgher Veda app, or you can check out Jyotishgher website. Or free analysis, you can share your chart on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter with Vimshoti Dasha, one question, wait for 60 days, because patience is the key for clearance of queue. Now if Ant Nadi, again we will see the nakshatra in the Ant Nadi. Aslesha nakshatra, Kritika nakshatra, Uttara Ashadha nakshatra, Swati nakshatra, Rohini nakshatra, Magha nakshatra, Vishakha nakshatra, Shravan nakshatra, Revati nakshatra. These all the nakshatra under Ant Nadi. So if either of the partner, either you or she, have the moon in either of these nakshatra, then comes to the Antanadi dosha. So if these things happens, then all the problems which we have mentioned starting the video, you will face such kind of problems in your life. So these are the tactics, these are the methods by which you can identify which category zone you belongs to. Now, if you belongs to the same either Adi Nakshatra, Adi Ant, or Madhya, or Adi or Antanadi dosha, then you will get 0 marks out of 8. But if the Nadi is different, in that case you will be allocated 8 out of 8. So these 3 Nadi which we have mentioned depends on the placement of moon in various nakshatra of a person at the time of his or her birth, and the Nadi is calculated. So by this way you can calculate the Nadi dosha. Now in the next video we will discuss about how to fix Nadi dosha, means the rules of applicable for cancellation for them. So most of the Nadi dosha cancelled if you apply the correct rule. Now the remedies, here I am going to discuss only the remedies. So if you are facing the problems of this, then Lord Vishnu Puja, you should do Lord Vishnu Puja always in your Mandir. Chanting Maha Mrityunjay Jawab, it will be very helpful for the longevity of the both the couples. So if you chant Maha Mrityunjay mantra, it can have a huge impact on healing the Nadi dosha. And if it is possible on the birthday occasion, donation is very essential. Donate food, clothes and other items. The Nadi dosha can be cancelled if you donate these things either Brahman family, or in the donation center, or in the trust center, or the poor peoples. Also you can perform the Nadi Nirvana Puja, but that puja most of the astrologers, if you perform, take huge amount of money. So it is better to do yourself. Mahamrityunjay mantra you can do easily, Lord Vishnu Puja you can do easily. So these remedies has proven to be one of the best effective ways to overcome Nadi dosha, but these remedies should be performed periodically after 3 or 5 years of gap. So that's all for the day. In the next video we will discuss about what are the ways by which you can cancel, you can fix the Nadi dosha, and there is no need to perform these kind of pujas.